In front of me is a Motorola Moto Z3 Play, and today I'll show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down the notification panel, extend it, and you'll have the toggle right here. Now before you actually toggle it on, you want to hold it, and this will take you to the settings. And in here we have a couple of things that we can change. So number one, exceptions, and you have exceptions for calls. So you have allow calls from anyone, which defeats the purpose of this, from contacts only, from shared contacts, which is another way of saying favorite, and from no one. So you can choose whichever one you want, and then if you choose, for instance, the favorite contacts, you will actually have to add some. So as you can see right here, you just add them like so. And where is there's the star. Okay. So that's basically how you add the favorite contact. And from there you also have another option right here. So if, for instance, you have right now the favorite contacts, but someone outside of those calls you, you won't hear it. But with this checked on, if they call you the second time within a 15-minute period, they will actually reach you, even though, for instance, they're not part of the shared contacts. And then you have also messages, event and reminders. So for messages you have the same options right here. Choose whichever one you want. And then if you want to have sound for reminders and events. And then that's about it for the initial setup. So if you want, you can manually tag it on or off right here. Or you can go a step further and just set it to an automatic rule. So turn on automatically. And let's just tap time, name it whatever, it doesn't really matter. And once you name it, you will have number one, days. So you can select what days of the weeks it will turn on. So as an example, I'm gonna create a Monday through Friday 9 to 5, kind of like a work do not disturb mode. So let's disable Saturday and Sunday, as those are the days we're not working. Then start time 9 a.m. okay, end time 5 p.m. and that's about it. So once you leave this, it will automatically be enabled, or it already is enabled because of the time. As you can see, now disturb mode, and there's that TT as I named it. And yeah, that's all it takes. And now basically, because it's 12:19, it automatically turns on, and at 5 p.m. it will disable itself. So that is how you would set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.